Hello everybody and welcome to Gaming Mixxx. This time we are going to be playing 4 Flappy Bird knockoffs.
Flappy Bird, a game I used to own, but then I lost my temper, now I need a new phone.
So this one is Up Heroes. So we're going to go easy. Okay, control, tap, tap. Okay, that seems easy enough. Oh. Okay. No. How after you play this? I see. No. This is hard. I hate this game. No. I want to at least get 1. I'm not stopping until I get 1. Come on! Yeah, I got 1. I got 1. I got 1. I got 2. Okay, at least I got 2. Next game. As you know, first I want to try original hero. Oh, you're going a lot faster in this. No, you're just going a lot faster. Hard lightning. Oh crud, you're going really fast. I like the animation in that. That's cool. Yeah, you got 1. At least I got 1. Okay, now we're playing the next one, Flappy Bird. This will be fun. Start. Oh, and look, and I poo. Or should I say I crap? It's more fitting. No! I have played this one before. Yeah, it was quite fun. I got it up the person. Okay, and then I died. No! Well, come on, I at least want to get like 5. Can't birds like touch power lines? 2. What's happening to my bird? Okay, last try. I'm a little birdie flying around the... now let's go. Flappy Bat. Flappy Bat. Let's do classic and start. This is hard. This is a lot harder than Flappy Bird. On Flappy Bird, when it was still available, I achieved a high score of 83. Let's play Jellyfish. Dun, 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 dun. I'm so... Holy crap, it's opposite. Okay, I can do this. No, maybe not. Not. Okay. Maybe not. I love flopping around in the ocean. In the big wide ocean, where turtles can eat me. Yeah, turtles ate me. I'm surprised nobody died from my singing. I'm sorry people, but I just have to play a little bit more Flappy Bird, but Flappy Bird is cool, and I like Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird's very crappy. No, that was a building. Crud. Okay, I hope you guys like this video, and, oh, crud. And, if you enjoyed it, like, and subscribe, and comment on what I can do for my next video, because I do not know very many games, but, I like games, so... Tell me what games I can play, because I think... No! No. Okay. Goodbye.
Like a Hellcat.